Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself and look at me, look at me. You made me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today we're about to be going to our boy White errands again, and we're gonna be fiddling with the C Fizzle, man. So today we got a long day. Actually, we got a lot of work to do. We're gonna be doing the full lighting upgrade and possibly installing the big brake kit. I went with the Brembo setup, 4 pistons all the way around. Usually C5 I think are 2 piston front, 1 piston rear. So doing 4 pistons all the way around should be a big difference on how this thing brakes. Plus, honestly, the reason I did this because I want red brakes. That was the only reason. And I was just like, you know what, instead of buying C606 brakes, might as well just go with the Wilwood, since they are, I think, like 9 pounds lighter or something crazy. So went with the Wilwoods, but today we should be having a full lighting upgrade to where we can actually see. Finally, anybody with a C5, you guys know that C5 lighting is horrible, by far, like damn near the worst. But today we should have all the headlights and everything upgraded, and we're gonna be having the Wilwood brakes installed. So yeah, a lot of work today. We'll see how much of it we get through. But yeah, let's go over to our boy White errands so we can get this knocked is out. Look at that combo, C5, C6. What a combo. All right, so I already got the car loaded up with brakes and everything. Trunk's full. I think I got 1 box on the passenger seat. Wheels still look good. Really like this fitment, but my other wheels are on the way. It's cracking, Blatt. What's good with you?
Hello. Just replying. Dude, that car started right up.
Good. Tell him to come get it now.
Yep.
Time to go.
Time to go.
Cash my boy out and pick this shit up.
It's amazing what happens when you have proper things.
Look at him walking around analyzing, scratching his head.
Yeah.
Where do we start? Where do we go from here?
Literally just rotors and the calipers.
Yeah, it has the lines and everything.
If I can't do brakes by now, that's a problem.
What's up, man? You good? You want me to knock out a side? You knock out a side, you know what I'm saying? People be saying I can't work on my car, so.
Really?
I mean, I really don't care. I'm just saying, if you need me to help you, I ain't tripping. They were like, bro, he keeps taking his car to White Aaron. He can't do brakes for sure.
We all know that's not true. Those are the ones that haven't been following you that long. It's really their fault.
You'll be like, why the video is only 5 minutes? I'm like, because we're fucking working.
Right?
Get a 15-minute time lapse with 3 different R&B songs behind it.
Right?
It's like, hey, do y'all want a video or do y'all want me to work it? Like, y'all gotta pick a poison.
You gotta pick one.
Can I at least jack the car up for you?
You know what I should have on the baby registry is another gift card for like Harbor Garbage or something.
Dude, yeah, I don't know why you don't use the other jack. That little thing suck.
Well, I don't use the other one because I can't get underneath this fucking low ass car.
Dude, the other one's lower. The other jack you have?
The body though.
We got the same jack. All right, wheel off, spacer off. Getting ready to take the freaking little underliner off. And while he's in there, we're gonna get to this LED light that we're about to be swapping out. That way, we gotta pull the wheel off of shit again when it comes time to do all the lighting shit.
Nice.
That's me right there. Then this is you when you're mad.
It's not.
You do turn red.
Do I? Probably did, actually.
Man, stupid bolt.
Shut up.
Action. First try.
First try, baby. For those of you that don't know, you can put a LED in wrong.
Yeah.
There is backwards.
Polarity.
Yeah.
All right, one last look at the factory rear brakes on the C5. So the C5 FRC and the Z06 have literally the same brakes. Only difference is the Z06 brakes come red, but they're single piston in the rear and dual piston in the front. And it is supposed to rain today. While Aaron's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the tail lights real quick. Easy peasy. Okay, the torque bit, I'm gonna just swap the lights out. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, these lights look mighty spicy. These look good. Ooh.
Oh yeah. Can you put this thing in?
Look, laser beam, you know what I'm saying? Laser beam with the circle halos. Look, it looks dope. Smoked out. Let me hit the hazards for y'all. Sheesh! I like it. I like it. And Aaron got one of the brakes on. Look, they actually match up with the car.
Yeah. It's like almost perfect.
All right, so just finished up one side, but we had to run the stock lines. For some reason, these lines aren't working. So the factory line works, but Aaron was saying he's not sure if the factory hard line is flared too much and it's not allowing the freaking braided line to thread on, but
I feel like
it ain't going on.
Yeah. They're like all the same size, I feel like. It's like a dash, what, 3 line or something? I don't know.
I'll order another set of lines and go from there.
It's much harder to get to. It's got that fucking fuel line in the way. Do old school stuff. Hand tools. Barbarian style. Once we get this one.
Zoom.
Nice and clean like.
All right, shifting over to the front.
Like on here, they actually machined a little arrow into it.
So you when you go in reverse,
Yeah, right?
you know, there'll be somebody saying, "Oh, bro, if you put them on backwards, like it's designed to do this and it works better."
I don't think that's the case. Brakes. Look at that cute,
Oof.
cute little arrow machined in there. Dummy proof. Beautiful. On top and on bottom.
So you get all the air out,
Yeah, but air goes to the top.
just in case it goes to the bottom for once. Are they bigger than the rears?
What, these?
Yeah.
Yes. Are you kidding? Bro.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is not a rear rotor.
I was just saying, like in the sense of like they're all 4-piston. The rears are 4.
Yeah, these pistons are definitely way bigger though.
Yeah, they offer a 6-piston kit, but I was like, bruh, I don't need 6-piston.
Especially like for a daily.
Uh,
Like you're not going real wild with it.
Z06, C6 Z06 are 6-piston. But the reason why I didn't do the C6 Z06 shit, honestly, is because it's a lot heavier. These are pretty light.
Dude, these are really light.
Yeah, the C6 ones are like, it's like 9 pounds heavier, like per corner.
We're right,
So we've been sitting here trying to figure this out, and we got confused. It was like mind fucking each other.
Right.
So one caliper reads down Wilwood. You see this one reads up Wilwood.
Yeah.
The other side reads down, but then when we put this one on, it's still gonna read down. So one caliper is literally gonna be different.
Hold on, and before anybody says, oh, you can just change it around, look.
Part numbers are the same.
Exact part number.
So yeah. It all depends on if it's a Monday or Tuesday, if the person wants to flip the machining on the caliper.
Right.
Literally one caliper is gonna read different.
So
look.
One,
Look,
Wilwood
down.
This one
Wilwood up.
This one also, because of the mounting.
Wilwood
Up.
And then we go here, Wilwood down. That's gonna bug the hell out of my OCD, but whatever. I wish we would have never figured that out.
I know.
I was looking like, switch the caliper around. Yeah, ain't shit you can do about that.
It made sense. Yeah, so on the other side, it's going to be like this if we're looking at it from this side. So this one is Wilwood from the bottom up. This is Wilwood from the top down. This one's from the top down, and the other one's from the bottom up.
It's too confusing to follow. Oh yeah, and just a heads up to reiterate something for y'all, you will have to shim these. Don't forget that.
I'd like to forget that.
All right, so going back to the line issue that we were having. So it looked like, speaking Ebonics, it's looking like it is the right kit because this one goes on like perfect.
Yeah, no problems.
Shit went on there smooth, came off hella easy. So they probably over torqued that rear one and flared that shit out. So we're gonna see if we can get this right rear on. If this one goes on smooth, then we know the issue is gonna be that left rear one. So hopefully it's like maybe a burr or something on it. I don't know. We'll see how it's looking when we swing back around. But man, the brakes are coming out good. Shit looks fire. Love the red accent off of them. This car has like a lot of nice parts on it. It's like the goal for this, since this is like my.
Just have to let you know I'm a fan of what you do, man. I didn't cross past your videos on YouTube.
Oh, for sure, bruh. For sure. For sure. Thank you. Yep. Have a good one, boy. You think he's gonna leak what car we got now?
Man. Hope not.
Hey, no one knows still. Like, no one knows.
Dude, even I was vlogging earlier and I was like, hey, I'm really sorry, I gotta cut it. I said Mike's on his way and I can't tell you all about the new car. So all those people watching right now, like, hey, it's the same day, same stuff that I was doing with the Z back here, but because of this car, I wasn't able to show y'all.
No one knows that I have this car yet, which is crazy because I've been driving it just super incognito and I ain't posted nothing about it. All right, man, all the Wilwoods are currently on now. About to be getting ready to bleed this thing, but they are all on, matching up. You know what I'm saying? Looking mighty spiffy. The red on red. Okay, let's get this thing bled. Starting to drizzle a little bit. Y'all can see the water on the car, so it is like on and off in it right now. So we want to try to get this thing bled. What do you want?
I gotta show these people something, because they always look in the backgrounds of our videos, and for those of you guys that pay attention to the background but haven't paid attention to the background, I want to show you guys a little Easter egg now that you guys are watching this video. For all of you that have been watching my videos, these have been in here pretty much the whole time.
And they noticed them.
And they didn't notice, nobody said anything. So when you guys were curious on what was actually Mike's car, that came out of it. So yeah, I had to show the Easter egg though. It was one of those that it was like, if we didn't show it, then they'd be like, oh, I didn't see that, I didn't see that. Here it is.
All right, well, real quick, because it's raining, don't want to get my camera all messed up. I want to say about an hour to went by, had to run home, grab some spacers because the C6 Z06 do not clear. You see we nicked it right there. So hopefully the new wheels I'm getting built, hopefully they're high disc. So I'm gonna run around looking stupid with a jumbo spacer, but luckily these are hub centric. But yeah, C6 Z06 brakes or C6 Z06 wheels do not clear the front of the Wilwoods on here. And now just on the ground, it actually don't look that bad. It don't. I think now it fits like the other wheels that I just had on. Like it fits like those. This is exactly how the other wheels used to fit. but that gave us the clearance we needed. Ooh, the Wilwood, go! That looks good. I'm digging that. Wheels torqued down, everything's good. We got the clearance now that we added the spacer. Fitment actually looks better now with the spacer.
Brake pad, not cheap.
Alright, so I just went and drove this thing around and it feels really good.
Looks really good.
Like, now the braking is like the pedal barely moves, honestly. Like, you can definitely feel the bite, so not sure exactly how much of a break-in it needs, but you still gotta break them in and all that shit, do a couple heat cycles and blah blah blah, but they feel really good. I can definitely feel the improvement over the stock ones. And we only did the front braided lines, we haven't done the rears just because, you know, it's raining and something does come up, we ain't trying to be stuck here. So I'll probably have Ray at XP Shop deal with the rear lines once I figure out which motor combo and setup I'm gonna be doing in here. But yeah, overall this thing feels hella good. Looks good too. Me and Aaron still can't decide which wheels we like better. These ones are the last ones I had. Right. The split 5. Neither one of us likes this ashiness, but this is just a matter of a quick powder coat or something. That's a quick fix. So yeah, but it looks good. When I drove it around, no rub from the spacer being added, so like that, you know, that's a plus. But it is like, woo, it's right there.
I do like that wide stance though.
It's like close.
Yeah. It's like it's borderline pushing it.
Yeah. Right? It's like almost Mexi flush.
It's not trucking though.
Maybe it'll work for now.
It's not like this.
Oh no, man, this fitment is kind of A1 right here. I mean, they look about the same as far as the poke goes. I just can't go off-roading.
Yeah, right.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady, speed limit 60.